In this video, I show you how we can put the add yours sticker on your story so that other people can interact with you as if it is a command or it's a prompt. So just click on the plus sign from the profile icon. And once we are on the plus icon, just click on and select the camera. Now you can take any photo if you like, for example, like this one. And once you have clicked the photo, click on the stickers at the top. And from here, we have different options. So this one is add yours. So if I click on this option, add yours, traveling experience, whatever I want to like, or if you want random post to be created, random lines to be written, what you can do is just move this dice and it will automatically give some captions for this. And the other people can interact with you by adding their photos or whatever. So click on done and click on share from the bottom, and you can share it to your story. After that, when someone clicks on your story, they can click on add yours, and after that you can submit their particular picture here. So click here, click share, and that's how you do it. So this might be recorded as responses, and that's how you interact with your followers easily. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on Instagram, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.